Hello friends, in this video we will learn about introduction of CSS in HTML. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets, and CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on web pages. Here is the HTML file. There are three ways to use CSS files. One is external, another one is internal, another one is inline CSS, like this one by one. Start this one, inline CSS. Here is the only one element gets affected with this CSS, like this, style equal to text align. CSS in HTML defaultly in right. When we give center, this CSS in HTML move to the center of web page. This style used to like that. You can use whatever, you can change the color like that with this style on only h1 element. Then internal CSS. This CSS used by style tag. This tag in between of head tags like this. See this. This style tag can affect two elements. One is body, another one is h1. Multiple elements get affected with these tags. You can, if you want how many elements to get affect, those many elements you can put in this in between style tags. Here is body and h1 gets affected. You can give any color, background color, that will be changed the body part of web page, and h1 color. You can give whatever color here that affects on h1 element, like this CSS in HTML. Comes to the last one, external CSS. To use this CSS, we are using the tag link. In that, rel equal to style sheet, ref equal to css slash style sheets, style sheet.css. See this. This is a reference one. How to this CSS folder, this stylesheet.css file is there. When you are using external CSS, nothing but additional file, that file must and should extension with the .css, like this. CSS do the more work with less efforts, and one CSS file like this external CSS file can affect multiple web pages. See this. This is the HTML file. In that HTML, CSS folder is there. In that folder, stylesheet.css file is there. To get to access this one. See this. How is this output on web page? See this one. Okay. See, we'll change one by one. Inline CSS, text align on h1. See this. I move to the center. This is moved to the center. CSS in HTML. H1 is getting affected with this style. Then comes to this style tag, body element. Body is the complete web page. See this. Change it to the orange color, like this. Then comes to h1 element. Color is black. Now we change it to blue. See this. It is changed to the blue color, like this. The elements are getting affected with this style. Then comes to the last one, external CSS. See this. This is a file of external CSS file, that is extension of .css. See this. This is a P element, nothing but paragraph. Here is the details about CSS. This one. Here is the details about CSS. Color, change it to green, and text align is center. After changing, save that file. Then that effects will appear on web page. See this. That is move to the center of web page and change that color to green. Here is the details about CSS. This is the introduction of CSS in HTML. We will learn so many things in upcoming videos. Up to now, happy to see you. Thanks for watching.